Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the LED headlight conversion kit for the Canon Spyder F3. We've partnered up with our friends over at TricLED to bring you guys a 100% plug-and-play 360-degree LED headlight conversion kit for your Spyder F3. These headlights utilize US-made LED chips and are constructed of aircraft-grade aluminum designed specifically for the Spyder F3 application. The new micro stem base allows these puppies to project long distances for a clear picture of the road ahead. They also look a heck of a lot better when you compare them to the stock yellow halogen bulbs. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. Start by removing this access door and unscrew the 4 T25 Torx bolts along with the 3 push pins so you can take off this side panel. Then push down on your key and turn it counterclockwise to unlock and open your frunk. Next, you can remove the service panel by lifting up on both ends. Then unbolt this T25 Torx bolt so that you can remove this headlight nose cover. This will now give you access to remove this push pin, followed by this push pin under your mirror. Now remove these 2 Allen bolts so that you can take off your mirror. And then disconnect the harness plug. Now that your panel is loose, carefully lift and pull the panel off. Next, you can remove these 4 T30 Torx bolts so you can pull off the headlight just enough to access the back headlight harness. Then unplug the headlight, pull back the rubber cover, and unclip the bulb to remove it. Now take the new LED bulb and pull off this metal plate. Place it on top of your rubber cover, and then reattach to the LED bulb. Now plug it back in, reinsert into the headlight housing, and clip it back into place. Also, please be sure you clock the LED in the position shown here for proper alignment and optimal light distribution. Since most of the appropriate panels are already removed, simply repeat the installation process for the other side. Now you can bolt the headlight back in, reinstall the top fairing, plug your mirror back in, and then bolt it all back into place. Now you can put the nose cone back on, reinstall the service panel, followed by the big side panel, and finally the access door. All right, guys, now that's all there is to it. Now, if this seems like something you'd be interested in, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a pair for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Canon Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. We'll see you on the road.